Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be eating this giant yakisoba. It's called Cho 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 Omori GIGAMAX with 2,136 calories. $2,136 calories is basically a full day's serving. So, I don't think I can do this alone. I'm not a professional eater. I better call in some reinforcements. Hey Yuki.
Hi.
Yuki, what's omori mean?
Extra noodles.
Extra noodles. And what's cho mean?
Super.
Super. So cho 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 would be super 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 extra noodles.
Yeah.
What about this? This says geki karai.
That's extremely spicy.
Extremely spicy. Oh no. I didn't know this was extremely spicy when I bought it. Alright, let's go ahead and make it. This doesn't look too spicy. I feel like we need something else though. It looks kind of boring. What do you think we need?
Mayo.
Mayonnaise! Sounds good. I think I need milk. I can't eat spicy stuff without milk. Oh, it's half a glass. What am I gonna do with that? Mayonnaise on top? Should we try it without the mayonnaise first?
Yeah.
What's this?
My bowl.
Oh, you got a bowl. Okay, I guess this is for me.
You first.
Me first? Alright.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Oh. Ooh.
Is it spicy?
Not bad. Oh! Oh!
Is it that much spicy?
It's pretty spicy. Oh, spicier than I was expecting. Comes away later. That is not gonna be enough milk. Uh-oh. Try it.
Oh, itadakimasu.
Whew. I think I need a little drink. It's good, right? It's a little drier than I would like, but maybe that's the way we made it. Right? It comes after. Alright, I'm gonna lather this stuff in mayonnaise. Woo! Mayonnaise is a very common topping for yakisoba in Japan. I feel like in America we wouldn't be okay with this, but Japanese mayonnaise is a perfect combination with yakisoba. This is a lot of yakisoba. I was gonna eat this by myself, but I'm glad I decided not to. One funny thing we forgot to mention is that right below 2,136 calories in the package, it says 1日1食までにしてください. Yuki, what's that mean?
Only one meal you can eat in a day if you eat this.
Oh, yeah. So if I ate this alone, this would be the only thing I could eat in that day if I didn't want to get huge.
What's reinforcement?
Reinforcements?
Reinforcement.
Reinforcements means like if you were in the army, you're in trouble, you need more people, you call in more people. The more people is reinforcements.
I learned new something.
I need more milk. It's a little bit dry. That might be the way we made it.
We can add the sesame oil. It's gonna be good.
Sesame oil would be a really good addition. Should we add some now? Let's do it. Be right back. This is sesame oil. If you can see it. Goma-abura, right?
Mm.
How much do you think we should add? Just a little bit?
One circle.
One circle?
Mm.
About that much? A little more?
Okay.
More?
I think more, but you will see.
We'll try it. We'll add more if we need it. That's really good with the goma-abura.
Oh.
Definitely add some of this to it. Hi. So you were saying the difference between instant noodles. The difference between instant noodles in America and Japan.
Mm.
Well, the first difference is that they're not called noodles. What do you think the differences are between instant noodles in Japan and in America? Did you eat instant noodles when we were in America?
The pack one.
The pack ones. Ah, so like
Yeah.
instant ramen. I think they were top ramen or something like that.
Mm.
They don't do top
super
ramen.
cheap one.
They don't do top ramen in
We
Japan.
don't have that thing. But
They have super cheap ones, just different.
mm,
What do you think the main difference was?
I think that the US pack one was tasting like cardboard.
Cardboard. Yeah.
I'm
The
so
noodles
sorry.
in America taste like cardboard.
This is more like food.
Yeah, I agree. The instant noodles in Japan, we don't really eat much of them, but in a bind or when we do feel like it, in America you eat top ramen because you have no other choice. You don't have any money, you're in college and you're broke, or like you're just too lazy to make something else. In Japan, instant noodles, I mean, it still might be the same reason you're eating them, because you're too lazy to make something, but it's not like a, oh, I have to eat instant noodles again type of thing. They're actually, as Yuki put it, still food. The cup noodles in America compared to Japan, even the same brand, you know, the like white
The
cup
cup
with the
noodle.
brown line around it, what's that called? Just cup noodle?
Cup noodle.
Just cup noodle.
口から出ちゃった。
Just cup noodles. There's like no vegetables or anything in America. And the noodles are like cardboard. In Japan, there's way more vegetables and meat and stuff in the actual cup noodles. They're like the regular cup noodles. I don't really like them in either country, but definitely the ones in Japan are a lot more high quality. Food. Food. Yeah, they're food. There's not really much yakisoba in America either. And one of my favorite things when I first came to Japan back in 2012 was I went to a convenience store and found yakisoba, and I didn't know what it was. I'd never eaten it before. And man, I ate like 10 of those in the first week I was in Japan because this new thing, yakisoba. I think it was the same company actually. It was the what's this company?
Peyangu.
Peyangu. Peyangu yakisoba. I think I ate about 10 of those my first couple weeks in Japan because I'd never had anything like it. I got sick of them pretty quick, but obviously homemade yakisoba is a lot better, but you know, this does the job. Pretty good. I will never probably need to eat this again, but it's not bad. Maybe the non-spicy one I'll try. It's almost empty. What other kinds of Japanese foods would you guys like to see us try? Why don't you tell us in the comments?
Done.
Empty. Empty. One thing never to forget at the end of a meal, gochisousama deshita. That's that. If there's anything else you want to see us eat from Japan, please let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. If you want to see more foods in Japan or get Japanese grammar lessons or just learn more about Japan in general, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Peace.